Protect your backyard companion from the elements of Mother Nature with our premium heavy-duty grill cover. Built to last, this quality cover will be sure to preserve the lifespan of your grill, and it's simple to slip on and secure. It includes hook and loop adhesive closure strips at both ends to ensure a secure, snug fit, preventing the cover from slipping off or blowing away. Plus, it features a front mesh vent screen to allow for proper airflow and to prevent nasty mildew buildup. It's constructed of quality Oxford material and layered with a PVC coating, making it Angry Bird resistant and weatherproof, repelling rain and heat all year round. So fire up your grill and enjoy the great outdoors with peace of mind, knowing you have protection all year with your premium quality grill cover. Now available in small, medium, large, and extra large sizes. Get covered today.